Potjiekos, dit eet almal mos. Hoendertjie of rooi vlees, selfs 'n snoek is kos.
Hello, how's it? My name's Ben Kruger, welcome to my kitchen, and this is Potjiekos. For today's recipe we're going to do the drunk chicken potjie. It's a quick and easy pot, and especially useful when you have unexpected guests, because guests have a habit of being unexpected, especially if you're me. So what you need is oil, onion, chicken pieces, flour, and old brown sherry. Any sweet sherry will do if you can't get hold of OBS, but this familiar South African favorite enhances the pot and gives it, I'm talking rubbish. Let's carry on. Every potjie starts with oil. Then we go with the sine qua non of potjies, onion. What is sine qua non? That is Latin. It means that without which you cannot do. Once the onions are soft and browned, we go in with the meat. These are nice firm chicken pieces, and they work a charm. Our chicken is nice and tender. It's time for the next ingredients. Flour and old brown sherry. Flour goes in first. And now we wait for the magic to happen. And there we have it, our drunk chicken potjie. Chicken, flour, sherry. Couldn't be easier, couldn't be quicker, and it seriously couldn't be tastier. The flour and the sherry mixed with the fat from the chicken creates a beautiful, thick, rich, luxurious sauce around this chicken. This is very good food. Of course you can eat it with any kind of starch that you like, or even vegetables or a salad, but in my book, this is the food of kings. Drunk chicken makes me drunk with happiness. Cheers.
Potjiekos, Potjiekos, dit eet almal mos. Hoendertjie of rooi vlees, selfs 'n snoek is kos.